Hey, this is Mr. Molo, just going through the review here. So a couple things I want to say before I start the review. So you'll see on the review I'm giving you unlimited check answers for each question. So make sure you take advantage of that. In this video, I'm pretty much just going to give you the answers. So if you have not started the review yet and you're doing this first, you should probably stop watching right now and you should actually go try the review first. So I'm just going to go through each page here, pause for a second, just so you can see the right answer. And then if you have a specific question of how did they get that, then I can answer it either today or tomorrow before the test. Okay, so should be a short 2-minute video. If you need more time on it, just pause the video. I'll just be going through the answers here. I feel like we should have like some waiting music or something. And then we're skipping 15 and 16. All right, let me know if you have any questions.